What's up guys, Wilson Moto here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing my second moto vlog ever. Yeah, I still have the I guess it's kind of a crappy mount. Looks really weird, and it looks like I'm like super low to the four-wheeler on the ground and everything. But whatever, it works, so. Now, today I might vlog about the weather because the weather is going to be really bad today, supposedly at least. We're supposed to get loads of thunder and rain, and maybe I'll vlog about that. I don't know. Maybe that's kind of boring. Maybe it's kind of lame, whatever. But supposedly we're supposed to get some really crazy storms and stuff. So yeah, I guess just enjoy the motor vlog. So, yeah, today the motor vlog with Secret Vlogs is canceled because of bad weather, and he just said he kind of wants some time to himself today. So, yeah, maybe some other time. I don't know, hopefully before school starts, because supposedly, well, not supposedly, but yeah, school's gonna start really soon. And, the weather's bad, and it might be bad for a while, so I hope we can get a motovlog in, like the two of us before school actually starts. Well, whatever. We've always got the weekends for motovlogging together. Yeah, you probably will see more of, like, I guess ourselves motovlogging more than you will see us together, because obviously we don't have all the time in the world together, so it's gonna be a little more hard to do that type of stuff, I guess. But one thing that is kind of good is that we always get the weekends, so yeah. Probably going to be expecting from me. Sorry about like the bumps in my voice. The backyard is kind of bumpy, but what you're probably going to be expecting from me personally is maybe one moto vlog a week and maybe a regular vlog once a week. Sometimes I'll probably not have a moto vlog and just a regular vlog because weather reasons. Because first off, my parents hate when I tear up the yard, and I can understand that. Like, that right there, and you see like that Cheerio type thing, it's like half a Cheerio. They're probably gonna kind of be like, whatever, because it's gonna rain and probably straighten that all out, but they just don't like when I'm flinging rocks and stuff everywhere. But anyways, I'll do a couple wheelies for you guys. I'll probably talk a little bit more, and then I'll end the video because it's supposed to storm soon. So here's one wheelie. This is the first wheelie of the day. Well, second, because right in the beginning I did a small one, but I won't really count that. Oh, all the way to the fence. That was pretty cool. Now we'll do a sitting down one up the hill, kind of diagonal, I guess. It's gonna be kind of weird. soon. We're going up north, and maybe I'll bring Secret Vlogs if he's able to. And we have a bunch of trails up north, like our family does, and it's really cool up there. It's near Michigan, so it's not super far, I guess, because we live in Wisconsin, and sorry for that terrible shift there. My four-wheeler was kind of stuck in first gear for some reason, kind of ticked me off. Whatever though, the reason I'm going really slow is so you guys can actually hear me over the four-wheeler. But yeah, we're going up north. There's a bunch of trails up there. There's kind of like this canyon type thing where like there's like a giant pit in the ground. It's kind of sketchy riding up it, but it's really fun. It's really cool up there. And also there's an abandoned house up there. I may be able to get on camera and explore it for you guys. So yeah, I'm probably gonna stop talking and just show me doing some wheelies or going kind of fast. So yeah, I guess enjoy the rest of me riding, I guess. Yep. Sorry, by the way, I forgot to mention one thing, and that is that when we go up north, that might be the first time you get to see my dirt bike, because the part's supposed to come this week, hopefully. So, yeah, look forward to that too. So I might have a friend up there, hopefully Secret Vlogs, I'll ask. My dad said I might be able to bring a friend up there. Last year I wasn't able to, but the year before that I was. So hopefully this year he'll let me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And like, comment, and subscribe if you want more. I will see you guys later. And I just parked this thing, and peace.